Welcome to InfoWorld Galaxy. In this video, we will learn about branches of science. So, let's start. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like our video. So, let's start. Study of eyes, ophthalmology, study of bones, osteology, study of kidney, nephrology, study of liver, hepatology, study of blood, hematology, study of skin, dermatology, study of hearts, cardiology, study of cancer, oncology, study of hair, trichology, study of brain, encephalology, study of cells, cytology, study of tissues, histology, study of fungi, mycology, study of virus, virology, study of universe, Casinology, study of birds, ornithology, study of fruits, pomology, study of soil, pedology, study of languages, philology, study of air, aerology. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.